All you Apple fans out there, here's some exciting news. Apple is doubling down on India in a big way, and it's not just about selling you the latest iPhone anymore. If you're an Apple fan in India, you're about to see even more of those iconic Apple stores popping up in your city. After the huge success of its first two flagship stores in Delhi and Mumbai, Apple is opening 4 new stores. So whether you're in Bengaluru, Pune or the Delhi NCR region, you will soon have easier access to all the latest Apple gadgets and accessories. And yes, if you're in Mumbai, another store is on its way there too. But why the rush to expand? India's demand for high-end gadgets is increasingly quickly. The 2 existing Apple stores in Delhi and Mumbai have already contributed significantly to companies' revenue in the country, with analysts saying these 2 locations account for over 20% of Apple's India business. It's clear that Apple is making moves to meet that demand. Now let's talk about the really exciting part. Apple's not just selling iPhones in India anymore, it's making them here too. The entire iPhone 16 lineup, including the Pro and Pro Max models, is being manufactured right here in India. This is a major shift for Apple, which used to only produce older models in the country. By partnering with companies like Foxconn, Pegatron and Tata Electronics, Apple is making India a key player in its global supply chain. These iPhones will be sold locally and exported worldwide. And Apple's not stopping at iPhones. Get ready for AirPods that are made in India too. Starting next year, Apple will begin manufacturing AirPods with the casings made at Jabbil's factory in Pune and final assembly at a Foxconn unit in Telangana. This move is part of Apple's bigger plan to make India a major manufacturing hub outside of China, with AirPods joining iPhones as one of the country's key exports. So, what does this mean for you? More Apple stores, more locally made products, and maybe even faster access to the latest tech. Whether you're an Apple enthusiast or just curious about the brand's growth in India, one thing's for sure: Apple's commitment to India is only getting bigger.